Can you understand my question? I'm saying if the angle value is minus, I'm writing one. I wrote one formula, that is sine minus x equal to minus sine x. Now I'm asking why. I want to explain why. If minus x, in which quadrant this angle will fall? Minus x will fall in which quadrant? In which quadrant minus x will fall? This is the four quadrant you can see. In which quadrant it will fall? Let me know. Let me know. Anyone? Anyone? Minus x will fall in which quadrant? Yes. So in fourth quadrant, sine is positive or negative? Negative. Look, for that reason, I wrote sine minus x equal to minus sine x. This is the formula. So if you remember the last question we solved, that is sine. The last question we solved from exercise 3.2, that is saying sine something, minus 11 pi by 2, right? So next line, what I wrote, we have to write sine minus 11 pi by 2. Understood? You can directly write, then solve the 11 pi by 2. No, sorry, it was 11 pi by 3, sorry. Yeah, then solve the this one and then find the value. Understood? So this is the one question. Next is similarly cos minus x is equal to cos x. Why? Because in fourth quadrant minus x is fourth quadrant, right? So cos x is equal, so fourth quadrant cos is positive, right? So that is the thing, that is we are writing plus cos x. Next formula is cos x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Okay, this is the very important formula. This is very important formula. uh, okay, so this formula we can prove by diagram, but I'm not going to prove now. Okay, because this proof is not very much needed. We have to remember the formula. For if you want to know the explanation, later I will explain how to do, because this is a very we have to show in diagram very vitally. I will show you in other video. Understood? But remember, this is the basic one of the basic formula for this trigonometric ratio, the trigonometric function chapter. Okay, if you remember this formula, you can write all the other formula. So it is the basic formula. Okay, so now another formula is cos x minus y is equal to cos x is equal to cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. This is I am showing how to solve. I mean, like, I am showing you how to find this formula. Okay, cos this formula cos x minus y, I can write cos bracket x plus minus y, right? I can write like this, cos x plus in bracket minus y. Now we can use this formula, cos x plus y. Use the formula. If we use the formula, if we use the formula, it will be, instead of y we have to write minus y, right? We have to write minus y, and we know that now uh, cos x into cos minus y. We know that cos minus y equal to it will be cos y, so we can directly write cos x into cos y. Okay, minus sin x and sin y. But we learned that sin minus x equal to minus sin x. So this minus sign will come here. So it will be minus minus. Understood? It will be minus minus. So we know that minus minus it will be plus. Okay. So this is the explanation. This is the explanation how we got the formula. Okay. So we got that cos x minus y equal to cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. So how to remember the formula? Just remember cos x plus y. It will start with cos x cos y, sin x sin y. Okay. Whenever the cos formula will be there, it will be always cos one side, sin one side. Whenever it will be plus sign, our formula will be minus, and when minus, it will be vice versa. Next, question number 5. Formula number 5. That is, this formula you already know. Uh, in class 9 you learned this, but here we learn a little bit different. Can anyone tell me what will be the formula? Cos 90 degree minus x equal to how much? Cos 90 minus x equal to how much? Fast. Cos 90 minus x equal to how much? I mean, what is the formula for this? Cos 90 minus x, fast. Okay, sine what? Sine what? This is class 10 you learn. This formula cos 90 degree minus x. This is the in class 10 complementary angle. Complementary angle you will have learned this one in trigonometric chapter. Let me know. Sine what? Sine 90 degree. Fast. Let me know. 5 and 6 is class 10. Sine cos 90 degree minus x and sine 90 degree minus x. What will be the value? Cos 90 degree minus x. First, let me know. Everyone forget or what? Sleeping? Everyone sleeping or what? Abenle, let me know what is your view on this cos 90 degree minus 1 minus x. Abenle, can you hear my voice clearly? This is very important part. All of everyone is sleeping or what? Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Am I audible or not? Okay, so no, why no response? Abenle, please let me know. Abenle, please let me know what will be the answer of question number 5 and 6. Cos 90 degree minus x and sin 90 degree minus x. Class 10 we learn. Still no response. Okay, fine, I'm just saying. Okay, we know that cos 90 degree minus x equal to sin x, right? We learn in complementary angle. In class 11, we'll just change one thing, that will 90 degree will write in radian form like pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 minus x equal to sin x, and similarly sin pi by 2 equal to cos x. Okay, now number 7 formula is sin x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus sin plus x cos x into sin y. Okay, this is what our formula is, that sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. From where the formula came? Let me explain. So sin x plus y, we can write sin pi by 2 minus, I can write like this, sin pi by 2 minus x plus y, right? Okay, sorry, it will be not sin, it will be cos. Sorry, it will be cos, right? Cos sin x plus y equal to, you can write cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. So next line we'll write cos in bracket pi by 2 minus x minus y. Okay, this one in one bracket. Understood? So again what we'll do, we'll use the same formula, cos x minus y. Then now x is this and y is this. Where is cos x minus y formula? This is. Okay. So if you use the formula cos x minus y, I'm just copying from here. So x, instead of x, here now value is this. Instead of x, we'll replace all x with this. And y with minus y. Okay, sorry, not y minus y. This is the formula cos x minus y. So y will be here, no problem. So what we know about cos pi by 2 minus x? Cos pi by 2 minus x, we know sin x, right? And cos y, this cos y, whatever cos y will not change. So I'm just highlighting this one a bit. sine x, and so it will be sine pi by 2 minus x is, we know, cos x. Okay, so it will be sine y. Fine. So this is our solution. Next is sine x minus y. Sine x minus y equal to same formula but with minus sign. Same formula but with minus sign. So this proof now, uh, this proof I'm not doing. Okay, this proof I'm not doing. You can just do by yourself. You can write like this: sine x plus minus y, and you can use the direct formula. Then you can see the things. Okay, this formula I'm not doing. Next few formula is that sine. When is your next class? Class 11. When is your next class? LFS class 11 from 10:30. 10:30 or 11 a.m. Class 11. When is your next class? Hmm, from 11, na? It's okay. I'll take up to 10:30 or 40. Okay. Yeah, I'll take up to 10:30 or 40. So that I can just complete all the formula. Next class we can discuss the exercise 3.3. I'll try to. Exercise 3.3 is the most important. Okay, where I was there, yeah. Next is sine cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to sine x. I hope that I don't have to explain this. Okay, why it is sine x? Because look, what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of pi by 2 here? Odd number 1, right? Nothing multiply mean on odd number 1. Okay, so odd means this will change. If sine is there, it will change to cos. If cos will be there, it will change to sine. And x, because pi by 2 plus x, it is in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos positive or negative? Negative, so it will be minus sine x. Okay, minus sine x. Next question number 10. 10 will be same sine pi by 2, sine pi by 2 plus x will be equal to cos x. Why? Because here it is multiplied with 1. So odd number, odd means it will be changed to cos, and pi by 2 plus x, it will be, well, we are taking x is an acute angle. Okay, you can say me, sir, x can be 230, so pi by 2 plus 230 is not is not a um, is not a in second quadrant, right? So whenever this x or theta will be there, na, will take will take this is as a x is a acute angle. So pi by 2 plus x will be in first quadrant, right? So in first quadrant sine is positive, so sine pi by 2 plus x will be cos x. This is not a formula, just I'm giving. Next is cos pi minus x. Cos pi minus x will be cos pi means 2 into pi by 2, right? So we can write cos 2 into pi by 2 minus x. So 2 2 into pi by 2, so it is even number, right? So it will be cos, right? Now pi minus x, which quadrant? Pi minus x will be in second quadrant, right? The second quadrant we know that cos is negative, so it will be minus cos x. Okay, it will be minus cos x. The formula is this. Formula is this: cos pi by 2, pi minus x equal to this. So another is this. Similarly, sine pi minus x is equal to only sine x. Why sine x? Because it is second quadrant, sine is positive. Okay, so this is the some other formula also there, but that is not very important. I'm writing like this. Next formula is pi plus x. Pi plus x means it is on third quadrant. The third quadrant also cos negative, so it is this one. And pi plus x, so in third quadrant sine also negative, so it will be minus sine x. Okay, similarly 15, it is saying 2 pi 2 pi minus x. 2 pi means minus x. 2 pi means 2 pi minus x means fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant sine is, sorry, cos is positive, and 2 pi minus x, it is fourth quadrant sine is negative. So these thing na, these are what I say, this is a little it's not that important formula. Okay, you can say that there are sub formula like this. Okay, so the important formula is up to this. Next very important formula is, that is for this, better not to give any name. All this okay, so this is the sub formula type. Next, our very important formula is this, that is tan. We learned sine x plus y, cos x plus y. Now tan x plus y. Tan x plus y is little bit different, equal to this. It will be tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Okay, this is our formula. Tan x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. If you want to prove it, you can directly prove it by yourself, that sine x plus y is equal to, we can write tan x plus y, we can write it is equal to sine x plus y divided by cos x plus y. Okay, after that you can directly put the value and you will get the answer. I'm not showing how to do. If you want, later I will show in another class. Now I am a little bit hurry. Next is x minus y. If it is x minus y, the sign will change only. Okay, How will you remember the formula? When tan x plus y, okay, it will start with numerator will be tan x plus tan y, and denominator it will be 1 minus tan x minus tan y. Look, in both denominator the formula is same, only sign is changed. So what you have to remember, when this plus, numerator will be plus and denominator will be opposite sign, that is minus. And when it is minus, you have to remember that numerator will be minus and denominator it will be the opposite sign, which is plus. So these few things you have to remember. Next, similarly we can find out cot. This formula is less used but still in your book given, so I'm just showing you. It is like this: cot x minus cot y minus 1 divided by cot x plus cot y. Similarly, you look here also, whenever the cot sine and cot is same, cot x plus y, so denominator which is cot x plus cot y will be plus, and cot x into cot y minus 1. Okay, next formula, it will be cot minus, so when minus, numerator will be plus and denominator will be minus sign. Okay, next formula is cos 2x. How to find what is cos 2x formula? Cos 2x, there are three formulas there. In cos 2x there are three formulas there. One formula I am saying you, that is cos square x minus sine square x. Another one is 2 cos square x minus 1. Another one, 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay, there are another one formula. Wait, there is another one formula. Yeah, another one formula is 1 minus. This formula is a little rare use. Tan square x divided by 1 plus tan x. Okay, so there is a various use of this one formula, that is cos 2x. Cos 2x, there are four formula, that is cos square x minus sine square x, there is 2 cos square x minus 1, and 1 minus 2 sine square x, or you can write like 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square. This proof now we'll do in next class. Okay, now we'll I'm just giving you the formula, okay, so that you can study a little bit, and next class we can use the formula. So this formula now I will just, this formula we can prove. Okay, so next class we'll prove. Sine 2x also I'm giving a formula. Sine 2x formula is, sine 2x formula is, one formula is, this is very popular formula, sine x into cos x. Another formula is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus 1 plus tan square x. 2 tan x divided by 1 plus. Here one important thing is that where is not equal to n pi plus, Okay, these three formula, another last formula of today's class. This formula will prove and explain. Okay, no need to worry about. Last formula is tan 2x. This all formula will prove. Tan 2x formula is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Here one thing, if 2x not equal to, okay, these three formula I will discuss and explain in the next class, which will be from 2:15. Okay, today in your routine it was given physics class, but physics class already taken yesterday. I had one program yesterday, so today we will explain these three formula. Okay, so if anyone have doubt regarding anything, you can ask me. We can ask in next class, and I will suggest you, if you get any time, if you get at least 30-40 minute time, just revise the formula only. Okay, just revise the this 1 to 16 formula for a. Okay, fine. So the question is, the question is saying that cos x equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, and x lies in third quadrant. What we have to find in this 1 to 5, question number 1 to 5, we have to find the other 5 trigonometric function. Other 5 means we have to find, sine x. Okay, we have to find cosec x, sec x. Understood? So this is what we have to find. So first value, whatever value is given, I'm writing this value. So first write the easiest part. First find out the easiest part. Anyone please let me know, if cos x equal to minus 1 by 2, what will be sec x? If cos x equal to minus 1 by 2, what will be sec x? In the comment box, please let me know. Not 2. Yeah, minus 2. Just the reciprocal. Right. We know that sec x is equal to 1 by cos x, right? So it will be 1 divided by minus 1 by 2. So which will imply that minus 2. So this is the easiest part. Now we know we know that sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1, right? So using this one we'll use So we will know that cos square, sorry, sine square, or we can directly write sine x will be equal to plus minus and square root of 1 minus cos square x. Right, we know this. So which is equal to plus minus, just put the value of cos, that is in bracket minus 1 by 2, okay, which is equal to plus minus sqrt 1 minus 1 by 4, okay, which is equal to plus minus square root of 3 by 4. If you simplify more, it will be plus minus, well, plus minus. Okay, up to this one, anyone have doubt? If sin x equal to, sorry, someone was waiting for so long time. Try to join as soon as possible, okay? Mm, yeah, well, my question was, we know that cos x value, so sorry, sec x value we are fine. Now we've got the sin x value. I'm asking up to this one. Anyone have doubt? Sin x equal to root 3 by 2. Why root 3 by 2? Anyone have doubt? Those who join late, na, I will do in another problem. Okay, so no need to worry about. Let me know first. Can you hear my voice clearly? I'm asking that we got sin x value plus minus root over 3 by 2. Anyone have doubt regarding this up to from where we got sin x? Okay. Now, one thing I think you noticed here, that I'm using plus minus, right? But only one sign will be there. Why I'm using plus minus? For a certain reason. We are using because it was sine square. So when the square root is going that side, it will be plus minus. But now we have to choose what is sin x. Therefore, sin x equal to, it will be plus root 3 by 2 or minus root 3 by 2. Let me know, anyone. Will it plus root 3 by 2 or minus root 3 by 2? And obviously why? Anyone please let me know. It will be minus root 3 by 2. What is the reason, Niketo? Can you please tell me the reason why minus? Let me know why the reason. Let's see how much. Yes. No, it is third quadrant. No, it is third quadrant. Well, your point is almost correct. Look, here it is given x, x lies in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, sign positive or negative? Negative, right? We know that in only first and second quadrant sign is positive, right? So in third quadrant sign is negative. So it will be minus root 3 by 2. It will be minus root 3 by 2. In third quadrant only tan is positive, right? So if sin x equal to this one, therefore cos will be, sorry, cosec cosec x will be equal to, we know that it will be 1 divided by sin x, right? So which is equal to 1 divided by root 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 2 by square root of 3. Okay, now let me find what is the tan. Can anyone please let me know how to find the tan? How we can find the tan? We'll find tan like this. Tan x equal to, we know that sin x divided by cos x, right? So just put down the value of sin and cos. Put down the value sin and cos. So it will be, sin value we got minus root 3 by 2, and cos value we got, where is cos value? Cos value was given, it was minus this one. When you simplify this one, you will get square root of 3. Okay, minus minus cancel, and it will be 2 to cancel also. It will be square root of 3. So this is the things. Now if we got tan x, so what will be the cot x? Cot x, sorry, cot x will be equal to 1 by tan x, which is equal to 1 by square root of 3. Okay, so that is the one thing. This is very easy actually. Understood? So every time we have to find like this. I'm doing another one problem. Okay, and other 3 problem I'll give as homework. I'll do, let's say x given. I'll do question number 4. Mm, so question number 4 I'm doing. Other problem you have to do by yourself. I mean, um, okay, so sec x 13 by 5 given. So our first task will be find out the cos x. Sec x given Therefore cos x is equal to 1 by sec x, which is equal to 5 by 30. Okay, I'm not writing again this one by this. Understood? Next, after getting this one, we'll use the same thing, same this formula to know the sine. Okay, sine x equal to plus minus this, then just now cos x value will be 5 by 13. 5 by 30. So if you simplify this one, I choose the wrong question, not wrong, but same type of question. So okay, it will be 25 by 169. Okay, so then equal to plus minus 1 minus, sorry, not 1 minus, if you simplify this one now, it will be 144 by 169, which will give you plus minus 12 by 30. Okay, so sin x equal to, therefore sin x value will be here fourth quadrant also sign negative, right? In fourth quadrant sign also negative, so it will be 12 by 30 minus 12 by 30. Fine. Okay, so sine we got, then we will find the cosec and tan as usual. I'm writing like this, so cosec will be 1 by sin x, it will be 12 by 30 minus 12 by 13, so it will be 13 by 12. Okay, then sin x by cosec, tan x equal to sin x by cosec. Sin x we got minus 12 by 13, cos x we got 5 by 13 by 13. So it will be minus 13, 13 cancel, so it will be minus 12 by 5. Okay, this 13, 13 cancel, and you can see, look, x is lying fourth quadrant, so look here, tan x is tan x is in fourth quadrant, tan is negative, look, we are getting negative value, so cot x equal to, it will be minus 5 by 12. Okay, so these two question I'm doing other 2 3 4 homework. Okay, and some of you are not giving submitting homework, um, your internal mark for LFS, your internal mark will be affected. Okay, so be careful. 2 comma 3 comma 5 will be homework. There will be additional another homework, but still. Okay, don't forget the homework. Next, last day we did question number 8, right? So today let's do question number Question number 6 and 7 you can do 8. Okay, question number 7, let's do. Question number 7. Okay, before that, if anyone have doubt, let me know. Before that, if anyone have doubt, let me know. Let's see, anyone have doubt? No doubt. Okay, fine. As I told before last day that whenever you are getting this, we have to write in multiple of 360. Now in this class we'll learn, we will whenever we'll get more than 360 value. Suppose here value is 1410, it is more than 360, so we'll try to write multiple of 360 and then plus something. Understood? So here I can find, here we are getting 1410. So let's show you one thing. 1410 can be written as 3 into 360. 3 into 360 is how much? 720, 17, 180. 180, it will be plus 330. Okay, so we'll write like this. We will write like this. And here don't forget the minus sign. For that, I'm using the another sign, bracket minus. Here, another bracket. Fine. So next line, it is cosec. Next we can write minus 3 into 360 degree. This 360 degree we can write to pi, right? Pi means we know 180, so we can write 2 pi plus, not plus, minus 330 degree. Okay, so what we'll do, we will, okay, can anyone tell me in which quadrant this angle is lying now? In which quadrant this angle is lying? In which quadrant this angle is lying? You can see the angle is, you can see the angle is uh, 3 into 2 pi. 2 pi means one complete revolution, right? And that 3 times, and then plus 330. So in which quadrant this angle? In which quadrant this angle? Yeah, yeah. Fourth quadrant, right? In fourth quadrant, sine is negative, right? That means cosec also negative. So this minus will come here. Okay, so here I can write cosec 330 degree. Understood? Now what we have to do? Have to write minus cosec in bracket. Okay. Now let's find sine 330 degree. Let's find sine 330 degree, then we'll put the value. Sine 330 degree. How to find? It will be sine. I told you you have to write into. I can write 3 into pi by 2. Right, 3 into pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. 3 into 90 plus 30. Sorry, plus 60 degree. Sorry, plus 60 degree. Okay, 3 into 90 is 270. So 270 plus 60 is 330 degree. So next, sine. First tell me what is the coefficient of pi by 2? 3. 3 is odd or even? Odd number. That means the sign will change to cos. Right. And which quadrant this is? Sine 330, it is in fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant we know sine is negative. So it will be minus cos. Minus cos 60 degree. So what is the value of cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree value is 1 by root 3 by 2. It is root 3 by. Okay. So this is sine 330 degree. So what will be this value of this one? We can put directly the value. Do one thing, you can do this one in rough. Okay, here I can't show in the rough. Let's try out to show you. Yeah, I'm trying to show you like a, my goodness, like a rough work. Hmm. Okay, so sine 330 value we got minus root 3 by 2. So we'll put the value minus 1 by minus root 3 by 2. So ultimate value will be 2 divided by square root of. Okay, so this is the our answer, 2 by root 3. Ah, yes, yes. Ah, sorry, sorry, sorry. Yeah, so that it is cos 60-degree value is 1 by 2. Sorry, sorry, sorry. 1 by 2. Sorry. I was taking sine value. Yeah, yeah, this answer question answer will be 2. Yeah, what Niketos, wait, Niketos, you want, how can you explain again how negative sign in minus cos 60-degree? You mean this? Where you mean this line? I'm asking Niketo. You mean this line? Which line you have doubt or this line? Let me know. Yellow or blue? Yellow or blue? Okay. Look here. I told that we got minus 1 by 330, right? After that, in graph, I'm finding sine 330. So sine 330 means next line I can write sine 270, or I'm writing directly 3 into 90 degree, 3 into 90 degree plus 60 degree, right? That is 330 degree, right? So 90 means what? Pi by 2. So sine pi by 2, sine 3 into pi by 2 plus 60 degree, right? And this one, oh, you are asking why this is minus. Okay, I think you missed the last class. So wait, uh, you missed the last class. We discussed this thing. This is very, very important. Hold on. Well, this is I'm removing. Okay, this is the thing we have to know, that okay, the last class we discussed this one. If last class we discussed sine, whenever we have to find this kind of value less than 360 degree, suppose 330 degree or 270 degree, any kind of value, we have to write sine this theta as like this, that n pi by 2 plus minus theta. It can be plus or it can be minus. I can write here 4 into 90 minus 30 degree. Okay, that's my choice. Okay, so I can use 3 into 90 plus 60 or 4 into 90 minus 30. Value will be 330 degree, right? So whenever sine, we have to always write the angle in n pi by 2 plus minus theta form, equal to, this will give you plus minus sine theta when n is even, this n. Look, and when n is odd, it will be cos theta. Look here, n is what? 3, that is odd number. So look, we wrote here sine 3 pi by 2 plus 60 degree equal to minus cos 60 degree. Understood? Why minus? Plus minus sign depend on the quadrant in which n pi by 2 plus minus theta lie. Okay, this whole angle value in which quadrant it will lie, it will depend, it will decide the sign of the this sign of the this trigonometric ratio. So we know that first and second quadrant sign positive and third and fourth negative. Now it is okay. I think this is very vital point. I share the I hope I share the notes. Otherwise I'll share again. If I'm not, then let me know. Is it clear now why it is minus 90 degree? Okay. Yeah, I you must see the notes. Okay. So as I told, this portion, na, this whole portion you must do in rough. Okay. You must do this one in rough. Understood? So question number 7, 8, 8 to last day we did. Okay. Next I'm doing question number 10. Okay, question number 9 I'm doing. Question number 10 will be homework. 9 is sine minus 11 pi by 2. Sorry, by 3. Sine 11 pi by 3 here. So whenever this whenever this kind of question will come, you have to write this one in. You have to write in this form: 11 by 3 into pi value is 180 degree. We have to, or you can write. I will like to write like this. Wait. 11 pi is there, so I can write 12 pi minus pi divided by 3. Yes, right. I can write like this: 11 11 equal to what? 12 minus pi, right? It is 11 pi. So next line I can write, my goodness, sine minus 12 pi. Oh, directly I'm writing 4 pi. Why 4 pi? Because look, 12 pi by 3, it will give you 4 pi, right? So 4 pi minus pi by 3. So now can anyone please tell me in which quadrant this 4 pi minus it is lying? To in which quadrant this 4 pi minus 3 pi by 3 is lying? Which quadrant? 4 pi means 2 pi means one rotation, one complete circle. 2 pi means two complete circle minus pi by 3. That means it is lying on. Anyone please tell me this angle. This angle 2 in 4 pi minus pi by 3 in which quadrant it lying? In which quadrant it is lying? Anyone? No, fourth quadrant. Look, 2 into 2. 2 pi means what? 2 pi means one complete circle. Then 2 into 2 pi means two complete rotation. Minus pi by 3. Pi by 3 means how much? 60 degree. So that means 360 minus 60, 300 degree. That means it is on fourth quadrant. It is on fourth quadrant. So this minus sign will be here, and we can write pi by 3. Okay, now directly put the value here. So no need actually. Here you don't need to find any value of. Okay, well, this for this one now, we can write minus sign here. Okay, because we have to write here that the angle as sine is negative in fourth quadrant. Am I clear? It will be minus 5. Now, now it is minus sine 2 into 2 pi minus root 3, right? Sorry, minus pi by 3. Now the thing is that we know this angle is fourth quadrant, right? The fourth quadrant sign is negative. Okay, for that reason another minus sign will come here. For that reason another minus sign will come here. For this minus sign is for this angle. Understood? The rotation, we know that 2 into 2 pi minus pi by 3. For that reason this minus sign. So answer will be minus minus plus. It will be sine pi by 3. Pi by sine pi by 3 means root 3 by 2. Square root of 3 by 2. Okay. Similarly, you can write this one here also. In next class, not next class, in next topic, we'll learn one thing. You'll learn here better. So, what I want to see, give you homework. Which will be homework 6, 7, 8, 9. We did 6 and 10. Okay, don't forget. 6 and 10 will be homework. Fine. Okay, any doubt regarding this up to this? After that, we'll learn very important things. Any doubt up to this? No doubt, right? As I told you in last class in the morning that in next class we'll prove this one. Okay, so start with cos 2x. Cos 2x is proof is very easy. Cos 2x we can write cos x plus x, right? Okay, then what we'll do, we'll use the formula. Which formula? Cos x plus y formula. Where is cos x plus y formula? This is as I told before that this is our basic formula, cos x plus y. So you can see that if I use this formula, okay, so cos x plus y, if I use this formula, it will be, look, both is x, right? So I'll replace the y with x. It will be sine x. Okay, so if you simplify this one, cos x into cos x, it will be cos square x. Okay, minus sin x into sin x, it will be sine square x. Okay, so first one we prove, look, one formula is, we got one formula, that is cos square x minus sin square x. Now second formula, I'm not doing anything with cos. Okay, cos square was there, minus sin square equal to, I can write 1 minus cos square x. Can I replace sin square x with 1 minus cos square x? Yes or no? Can I replace sin square x with cos square x? Let me know. Can I replace this sin square x with 1 minus cos square x? Reply in the chat box. Yes, obviously. So if with this minus sign, if we open the bracket, if this minus will be minus 1 minus minus plus cos square x. Now look, this cos square x and this cos square x, it will be 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so this is our second formula. This is our second formula. Look, 2 cos square x minus 1. Again, we are using this formula. Again, we are coming from here, cos square x minus sin square x. Next, what I will do? Now, I'll replace cos square with 1 minus sin square. Okay, I'm replacing 1 minus sin square x. I'm replacing this cos square with 1 minus sin square x. And sin square, whatever sin square, previously sin square was there, right? So what we will get? We'll get 1 minus 2 sin square x, right? This is our third formula. This is our third form. Not third formula, but like third form actually. Okay, understood. Next, last one. For last one, For this one, I'll use again this one. From this next line can I write? Let me know. Can I write this line? Cos square x minus sin square x. Next line I'm writing cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x plus sin square x. If yes, why? Can I write this last line? This line, how can I write? Let me know. Can I write this line? Anyone? Look, I can write this line because cos square x plus sin square x value is what? Sin square x plus cos square x value is 1, right? So I can write this one. Okay. Next line, what I'll do? I'll divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. So it will be sin square x divided by cos square x. Okay, I'll divide both numerator and denominator with cos square x. Write down here. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Fine. Understood. So next line, it will be 1 minus 1 minus sin square x by cos square x will be 10 square x, and denominator also 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, so that's our, this is our fourth one. Understood? So look, in one formula, there are four formula. That is, cos 2x formula is cos square minus sin square x, 2 cos square minus 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Why there are four formula? When to use? We have to understand where and when to use this, when we can use the formula. Suppose in some problem we need to use the second, third formula, fourth formula, that depend on the questions. Okay, next sin 2x also similarly. Okay, this thing now valid for, why this thing is valid for here also. Okay, what it is saying that n not equal to n pi plus pi by 2. That means that means n cannot be, sorry, x cannot be 0. Okay, sorry, n cannot be pi by 2, because we know that tan pi by 2 value is undefined. This will already learn in range chapter. Okay, next we will go to the next part of the solution, that is proving this. So let's write sine 2x. So sine 2x can be written as sine x plus x. Okay, so after that we can use the formula. We can use the sine x plus y formula. What is sine x plus y formula here? Where is sine x plus y? Yes, sine x plus y here. We can use this formula. Okay, so here both are x, so we can write, we'll replace y with x. Okay, so we got sine x cos x plus cos x sine x. So ultimately it will be 2 sine x into cos x. Okay, next one also same. This will prove like the previously. That is, this is our formula proved. Next we can write the same sine 2x divided by, sorry, 2 sin x cos x. To sin x cos x divided by cos square x plus sin square x. Okay, because we know that sin square cos square plus sin square is 1. So next we'll divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. So it will be we'll divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. Okay, cos square x. Next, so denominator will be what? Denominator will be 1 plus sine square x divided by cos square x, right? Because cos square cancels, so sine square and cos square will remain. What will be numerator? Numerator, look, this cos, one cos and this square will cancel. So numerator it will be 2 sine x divided by 2 sine x divided by cos x. Okay, so if you simplify this one, you will get 2 tan x 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, so this is our third proof. Sorry, this is our second proof, I guess. Fine. So here also we will have to write this thing that x equal to not equal to n pi by 2 plus pi n pi plus pi by 2, because in whenever n value is in like 90 degree or 270 degree, tan will be unavailable, tan value will not exist. Okay, so we have to write this. So find any doubt regarding these two formulation. Similarly, tan 2x also you can find by yourself. Tan 2x I'm not doing because you can easily put in the formula. Okay, tan 2x. Next, sine 3x also. Sine 3x, cos 3x, all you can use using formula. You can try by yourself. Sine 3x, how will you find? You can find by sine 2x plus x. Okay, so this formula I'm not going to do. Understood? Or maybe I'm doing one formula like I'm doing tan. Okay, sine and cos you try by yourself, because these proof are not really needed. So tan 3x, tan 3x is equal to, I can write tan 2x plus x, right? So next we'll use the formula equal to what is the formula? 10x plus y formula. 10x plus y formula was, yeah, this is number 10. 10x plus y formula is 10x plus 10y, 10x plus 10y divided by 1 minus 10x 10y. So we can use the formula. Where is the question? Yeah, so it will be 10x. What is x here? 2x. Okay, plus 10x divided by 1 minus 10 2x into 10x. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to we have to put the 10 to x formula. Instead of 10 to x, we'll use the formula. What is the formula? This formula we'll put. Okay, so you can understand how complicated the formula will be. Plus 10x, then 1 minus into 10x. Okay. So if you simplify this one, next line it will be, next line in numerator LCM will be 1 minus 10 square x. Okay, then numerator will be 2 10 x plus 10x 10x minus 10 cube x. Okay, why 10x minus 10 cube? Because this 10x will multiply with 1 minus 10 square x, right? So 1 into 10x will be 10x, 1 into 10 square x will be 10 cube x. And here in denominator also it will be 1 minus 2 10 square x divided by 1 minus 10 square x. So if you simplify this one again and again, it will be numerator of the numerator will be 3 10x minus 10 cube x, and denominator will be, LCM will be this, sorry, LCM will be this. Okay, LCM will be this minus 2 10 square x. Okay, so again if you simplify, we can see that denominator will cancel, right? Both the denominator are same, so it will cancel. What will remain? Remain will be, numerator will be this 3 tan x minus this one. Denominator will be 1 minus 3 tan square x. Look, minus tan square x and minus 2 tan square x, it will be minus 3 tan square x. Okay, so this is our ultimate formula. As I told you before that this formula proof is not will not come in exam, but still for just the knowing purpose we can just remind this one. Okay, but now reminding the formula is most important thing. Reminding the formula is most important things. Okay, so let's move on toward the next very important formula. This formula is called This previously was compound angle formula. This formula is called transformation formula. Okay, these formulas are called transformation formula. These are called transformation formula. Okay, so in this formula you can see this formula started with, it is transformation from addition to product. Look, you can see cos to x, we can see cos x plus cos y, and the formula is cos x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. Okay, so these are the four things. Next, cos x minus y, sorry, cos x minus cos y, two are different. Cos x minus y and cos x minus cos y both are different. Am I clear? Okay, so from where this formula came, for that reason, uh, only one thing I'm giving you proof. If you remember these two formula, or first two formula, I hope you remember this is our first two formula, right? That is cos x plus cos x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and cos x minus y equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, right? This was our first formula. So this one I'm giving you 1, okay, and this one I'm giving you 2. Okay, now add 1 and sorry 2. Okay, we'll add just like addition, we'll add, right? So if we add, what will be in left hand side? Left hand side will be cos x plus y, right, plus cos x minus y, right? What will be on right hand side? Right hand side, look, these two part will cancel, this part, and this part will cancel. Why? Because look, same thing but with opposite sign. So what will be on the right hand side? Only this part will left, that is 2 cos x cos y, because both are same, so it will be 2 cos x cos y. Okay, so next line I can write cos x cos y is equal to, sorry, we can write 2 cos x cos y, 2 cos x cos y equal to cos x plus y and cos x minus y, right? So if replace x plus y with maybe capital A and x minus y with capital B. So what will left? What will be this formula? Okay, just leave this formula now. Leave this one. Just if we replace x plus y with A and x minus y with B, what will we get from here? We'll get cos A plus cos B equal to, anyone can tell me what will be the value of x if x plus y is A and x minus y is B? What will be value of x? Anyone? I hope you can understand this. I'm asking that if x plus y is A and x minus y is B, what will be value of x? What will be value of x? From here, therefore, x value will be what? Or y? X or y value will be how much? Anyone? Obviously no. Goodness. A minus, I am asking, you have to tell me as a and B. Obviously, if x plus y equal to A, obviously x equal to, I can write A minus y, but why I will write y? I want as a and B. Look, if you add these two equation, okay, this y cancel, so it will be 2x equal to A plus B. So x value will be A plus B divided by 2. Okay, similarly y value will be, it will be A minus B divided by 2. So here you can, if you put the value, if you replace this one, if you replace this one, it will be 2 cos x value, you know that A plus B divided by 2, and cos y, y value we got A, we got A minus B divided by 2, right? So this is our formula. Understood? So look, I only proved one, other also you can do cos x minus cos y. If you here I'm adding, right? If you just subtract 1 from 2, you will get the next formula. Okay, so if you want to do, you can do, try by yourself. Okay, I'm not doing all, I'm just showing all. Even same for sine x and this one, you are just take the sine x plus sine y, that formula, and you can solve by yourself. Okay, so next is, next formula is, this is also not a formula, part of a formula. Okay, this will be our last set of formulae. Okay, any doubt regarding this formula? This one, this will be our last set of formulae. then we have to go to the exercise. So this formula, first one is saying this is same as before. It is 2 cos x cos y cos y equal to cos x plus y, okay, plus cos x minus y. Okay. This one we already proved here. Look, this formula we already proved here, right? We already proved this formula here. Okay, so if you need to prove, just add from this. Understood? Then b, it is like minus 2 sine x into sine y is equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Okay, there is the similarly the question can be asked the value. This is equal to generally this is very much more important, that 2 sin x 2 sin x sin y. This formula is cos x minus y minus cos x. Okay, so this is the vice versa. Next, 2 sin x cos x equal to sin x plus y cos x minus y. Okay, okay, this is now y, sorry, this is y. Next, last, 2 cos x sin y is equal to, sorry, this is plus, okay, this is plus and this is minus. Fine, this is all our things. This is all about our formula. Okay, you must study the formula. Everyone must study the formula. Now I'll move towards the exercise 3.3. Everyone open page number 73.